Hello and welcome everyone to the BIM modeling series using the software Revit from Autodesk. We are using the version 2026 and also the architectural sample project from Autodesk. In this series, we will go together through each and every step we need in order to create a clean and parametric BIM model. In my case, in order to do that, regarding which software you use, the most important thing is to understand how the software works. We really need to understand the basics of the software. And in my opinion, when you use Revit, one of the main important things are levels. So in order to create the parametric wall here, first we have to create the base level for it, which we can see here, and then also the top level for it. Why is this important? Because later on, let's say if you need to change the height of the whole level, you just adjust the height of your level, and then every object will adjust automatically. So this, when you work in a professional office, it saves you a lot of time. The sheets will also be adjusted automatically, and that's why also you have the name Revit, so which means revitalization of your model, of your plans automatically. So before starting modeling, I would like to explain the way level works, and that's in my whiteboard. So let's say we need to create a wall with a height of 2 meters. So the first part will be to create our base level. So let's name it level 0. And then we create our top level. Let's call it level 1. So then we tell Revit, please, I need the wall to be this height and to be constrained to my level 0 and level 1. So let's say we have the height of 2 meters. And then later on, when we need to adjust the height of the whole level, we simply tell our level in Revit, please be just 3 meters, and then the height of the wall will be adjusted to 3 meters. And the levels are also important. Let's say when you place windows or later on doors, we also need the base level. So in this case, the door will have on the level 0 also our window, and then we can adjust the height to the base floor and also the properties of the windows, but this will be later on. Just on this video, we just are focusing on levels. And for the next part, we will create our levels in Revit. I will also provide you an empty template where you can follow my steps step by step. And then we will focus on the difference here between the blue and the black ones. So see you in the next video.